I don't know what. I wonder what we should bake.
I need some sugar.
Lazy Jim? What are you doing here? Why do you need sugar?
I need colored sugar.
Why colored sugar?
For my cake that I'm baking.
But you're lazy. How can you do that?
I do it in my sleep.
Okay,
I'll give you my quarter and I'll be back at 9. It better be ready.
You can sit down. You can
No,
watch it.
no. I'll be back at 9.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye.
9 in the morning or 9 in the...
9 in the afternoon.
Okay. Okay. Well, guys, looks like we're making colored sugar. He didn't give me any color, so I'm guessing I'm going to have to surprise him. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of sugar. We got our sugar right here. We're gonna just pour this sugar in.
Where's this sugar in the whole
One.
entire world?
2. Okay, for the next we have to add food coloring. You can add 2 or 3 food coloring drops of food coloring for vibrant color, or you can add 1 drop of food coloring to make it a pastel if you feel like you just want to be happy, cute, and adorable. Or if you want to be, for the vibrant, you want to be bold and exciting and exciting. And so Lazy Jim did not say what he wants. So I'm gonna guess he would like green because he always wears that, and yellow because he needs some sunshine in his day a lot. So we're gonna make some vibrant colors. 1. I'm just gonna add another 2 for green. I'm gonna add 3 for yellow because yellow can be a very pale color. 2. Okay. We are going to mix it with the sugar, with the color, with our fingers. We don't need use fork. We mix it with our fingers. And I'm going to add a touch of blue. Just a little blue. And remember guys, don't worry, you don't have to get worried of getting your hands dirty because this is all just sugar. Still don't know why he needs it. He never made a cake before. Lazy Jim. Never made a cake before. Ooh, I like this color. You guys see that color? Look at that color. Pretty, huh?
Now it's done.
Guys, it's 8:59. We have to be done soon. We need to get this in the bag. He's coming at the door soon. Okay, guys. Lazy Jim's coming. We need to hurry. Oh, it's 9 o'clock.
I'm back.
Oh.
I'm back. Give me my sugar.
Okay, you want to eat it? No.
I might as well.
Ow! Is it good?
Yeah.
Can I try some?
No. This is mine. No. No. Bye.
Bye, Lazy Jim!
Okay.
What pastel-y color is? Oh, you guys are still watching? Oh, I didn't realize that. If you guys didn't catch everything, you can put these color sugars on cookies, on cakes, cupcakes, ice cream, or you can just eat it. Delicious. Bye!